How to make multiple accounts on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information from here. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the end and go to Switch Account. Now tap on Add Account. If you don't have another account, then you have to sign up here. You can sign up with your phone number or by using your email, Facebook, Google, etc. For example, if you select email, then you have to enter your email address first as shown. Then tap on Continue. If you already have an account with email, then just tap on Continue at the bottom. Now verify your identity by entering the code sent to your email. You have now successfully switched to this account on TikTok. Now go back to your profile. Go to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Switch Account again. You can now view your other accounts here. Following these steps, you can easily make another account on TikTok.